Clarks, we believe in the importance of properly fitted shoes, especially for children. Properly fitted shoes help support natural foot development and help prevent problems in later life. This video will help you to check the fit of your child's shoes at home. It's simple and straightforward, but there are a few important things to remember. Before you start, first check that all packaging is removed from the shoes. Then, making sure the fastening is fully open, help your child to put the shoes on. A gentle twisting motion will help the shoe onto the foot. Shoes with elasticated laces and boots are often easier to put on with your child standing and stepping into the shoe or boot. Making sure your child's heel is in the back of each shoe, fasten the shoes. Reliable fastenings are vital for a great fit, so it's important that the fastenings are effective. If the shoes have laces, there should be at least a 6mm gap between the eyelets after tightening. If the shoes have a rip tape fastening, at least 80% of the two surfaces should be in contact. If the shoes have a buckle fastening, one hole should be left either side of the buckle for adjustment. Remember, if you have fastened the shoes with the child seated, you should also check the fastenings when the child stands. Checking the fit. Carry out the following checks on each foot. Step 1. Length. Make sure your child is standing with their weight evenly placed on both feet and that their shoes are properly fastened. Now feel for their longest toe. Getting them to wriggle their toes may help, and check there is sufficient growing room. At Clarks, we recommend 14mm growing room for all styles, except for pre-walking styles from our first shoes range and open-toed sandals, for which we recommend 10mm growing room. Step 2. Width. Feel along the inside and outside of the shoe with your hand. There should be no pressure or pinching at the sides, and your child's little toe should be free to move. Step 3. Depth. Pull your fingers across the front of the shoe. There should be sufficient depth for comfort, which will be shown by a slight rippling effect. Step 4. Top of the shoe. Feel around the top edge of the shoe. There should be no gaps, and the leather shouldn't rest against the ankle bone unless it is soft and padded. Step 5. Heel grip. Now, with your child seated, pull down gently on the back of the shoe, making sure that it grips the heel well. Step 6. Walking. Now ask your child to walk in their shoes. Make sure that they are able to walk easily and naturally. Check that the shoes grip when walking and that the sides of the shoes do not gape excessively. Properly fitted shoes will help look after your child's feet as they grow. If you need help with checking the fit of your child's shoes or just some advice on shopping for children's shoes, then visit one of our trained fitters in store.